Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the common fit and stitching issues you might encounter with your office wear and, more importantly, how to fix them. A well-fitting, professionally stitched outfit is essential for making a great impression. And we're here to help you achieve just that. Let's start with fit problems. One of the most common is a jacket that's too tight or too loose. If it's too tight, you'll see pulling at the buttons and restricted movement. A tailor can often let out the seams a bit to give you more room. If it's too loose, the jacket will look boxy and unflattering. Tailors can take in the seams to create a more tailored silhouette. Remember, proper shoulder fit is critical. Adjustments here can be tricky, so consult a professional. Next, let's look at pants. Issues here often include the length, the waist, and the seat. Pants that are too long will bunch at the ankles, while those that are too short can make your legs look truncated. A simple hem adjustment solves this. Waist adjustments are relatively straightforward, either taking in or letting out the waistband. The seat of your pants should fit comfortably without being too tight or baggy. Adjustments here can affect the overall balance of the garment, so a tailor's expertise is valuable. Now, let's move on to stitching problems. These can range from minor issues to more significant defects. Loose threads are a common problem. These are easily trimmed with a small pair of scissors, but be careful not to cut into the fabric. Uneven stitching can be more problematic, especially on visible seams. Sometimes, this can be fixed by carefully restitching the area by hand. If the seam is structurally unsound, a professional repair is recommended to prevent further unraveling. Another issue is a popped seam. This happens when a seam comes undone, often due to stress or wear. The fix depends on the extent of the damage. A small section can sometimes be hand-stitched, while a longer seam will likely require machine stitching. If you are not familiar with these repairs, consider having it professionally fixed to prevent further damage. Finally, let's talk about preventative measures. To avoid these issues, always check the fit before purchasing, and consider having your new garments tailored for a perfect fit. Proper care, like gentle washing and ironing, can also extend the life of your clothes and prevent stitching problems. Store your clothes properly, using the correct type of hangers, to avoid stretching or misshaping. A little care goes a long way in preserving your office wear. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to fixing common fit and stitching problems in your office wear. With a bit of knowledge and a few simple techniques, you can keep your professional wardrobe looking sharp and polished. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.